Alert! 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 An intruder is inside the house.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm here with another cool project. Today we'll create our own smart home security camera. This camera will capture photos of a person or intruder who enters into an apartment and will perform face recognition over it. So let's get started. So we will use Python as programming language and OpenCV and dlib libraries for face recognition.
First, let's talk about what will you need here. A Raspberry Pi, a USB camera, a PIR sensor or ultrasonic distance measurer. So, what is PIR sensor? All objects with a temperature above absolute zero emit heat energy in the form of radiation. Usually, this radiation isn't visible to the human eye because it radiates at infrared wavelengths. But PIR sensor can identify this kind of infrared wavelengths. And an ultrasonic sensor is an instrument that measures the distance to an object using ultrasonic sound waves. Ultrasonic sound vibrates at a frequency above the range of human hearing. It uses a signal transducer to send a pulse and receive the echo. The sensor determines the distance to a target by measuring time-lapse between sending and receiving of ultrasonic pulse.
I'm using PIR sensor because I don't want my Pi to do face recognition when nobody's around, and it also reduces its CPU usage to minimum. Now let's talk about project. I have connected PIR sensor and camera with Raspberry Pi and placed it in front entrance. As soon as someone arrives, PIR sensor will detect it and camera will start sending feed into face recognition pipeline. If the face matches with the saved faces, which could be one of your family members, friends, etc., then it will not notify about anything. If the face doesn't match with the saved faces, then it will play a sound, alert, 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 an intruder is inside the house.
Alert! 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 An intruder is inside the house.
There you go. Your cheap and simple smart camera is ready. You can find the link to the code in the description below. Place it in the front entrance and please let me know in the comment how did it work for you. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos like this.